Hi guys, how's it going? In this video, we are going to see how we can equalize the size of all these images with CSS and also to equalize them without distorting them. Imagine that you have images of different proportions, some square, others horizontal, others vertical, and you want them all to appear the same size, but you don't want them to be distorted. Well, in this video, we are going to see how we can do that with a bit of CSS. In this case, it's a pretty interesting trick. Look, the first thing I'm going to do is equalize them all using CSS, and for that, I open the Chrome Element Inspector to check something. And what I'm going to do is, in a very simple way, I'm going to add a command here to make them all the same width, for example. So, I'm going to set it here so that they all have 300 pixels, just as an example. Here you can see that all the images of 300 pixels are already appearing. Then I have to add this to WordPress. We will see that now. But notice that here the images do look a bit more distorted, because some are horizontal and others are vertical and some are a little somewhat disproportionate. But we are going to distort it a little more to make it clearer. I am going to tell you that, for example, they should have a height of 400 pixels. Let's see. No, I'm going to set it a bit higher, 600. So, as you can see, the images appear apart. Whether they appear more pixelated or less, they appear distorted. How are we going to see it? Well, when we see them clearly, you will quickly notice that this is pixelated. I will make the screen smaller so you can see it. Alright, so I click on Inspect and here comes the trick. Notice that when we are just adding the CSS, here we are going to add the following. Object fit, and here we are going to put cover. Okay, notice that now the images are no longer pixelated. Notice this one that will be seen very well. I am going to cancel the order. Notice how it looks great. It's no longer squashed. It is true that to achieve this effect, what it does is hide some part of the image instead of flattening it and making it appear complete. Here, as you can see, it looks very good. Let's look at these. Here you can see how noticeable it is that the image gets distorted. On the other hand, if I use object fit, cover, notice that it looks very good. And so, it's a little trick so that you can make the images when you are setting them all to the same size or changing them to a size specific to your page. Thanks to this trick, they don't look bad, where you can really see how it changes. So, this little trick can help you make sure the images don't get distorted when equalizing them all to a specific size. Remember that it is simply this very important command called object fit, cover. Here you can see that I have added it. I hope it helps you, that you liked it, and see you in the next video. See you later.